You know you're a toddler, Mom, when you have to flush your toilet like this because your toddler flushes Play-Doh, dinosaurs, toothpaste tubes down the toilet on the daily. Toddler life is pretty glamorous. You know, if we're going to be real about this, I used to smell like Chanel, but now I just smell like toilet water. Where is that perfume scent? I want like a real mom perfume line. That's what I want. I want toilet water, spit up, spoiled milk, baby poop, urine. And it's not always from the kids. But I had 3 kids. Don't judge me. The mom of toddlers perfume line. But definitely a toilet water perfume.
I got the pee, Mom.
You have to pee again?
Yes.
Let me get the toilet ready. Wait for it. Wait for it. It squirted me a little bit.
On me. Why?
Yeah, it's because of you.